and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an install and unboxing of this 5x5 closure wig from Kiss Love Hair. And guys, this wig came already pre-plucked with the knots already bleached, and it is 100% glueless. So Kiss Love did reach out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all, but if you all have watched any of my other videos, you all know I've already bought from Kiss Love Hair myself, and I love their hair. And this hair right now, the quality is eating. Also, this is a 250% density wig, so it is thick. She's very thick. But we are going to go ahead and get into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay guys, so we are going to go ahead and unbox this wig from Kiss Love Hair. Let's go ahead and open it and see what is inside. I am falling in love with these glueless pre-cut wigs. You don't have to do much to them, and it's just so easy to put on, you guys. So here is the bag. It has their branding on it. It says Kiss Love. Actually, I've bought from Kiss Love a few times, you guys, so I already know this hair is gonna be super duper bomb. Oh, let's see this. This has a little ribbon in it. Hold on, you guys. We're going to put the wig to the side. Oh shoot! It's a lot of gifts in here. Hold on, you guys. It's a lot of presents. Okay, we have a lot of presents here, you guys. I'm sorry. It comes with an edge control brush, and I love these that actually have the comb on the other side. Some of them don't. Here's a clip for when you're styling the hair and you need to pin some hair back or whatever. You get a rat tail comb, a pair of false lashes, and here's a headband for when you actually install the wig or you want to secure it while you're sleeping. You have an eyebrow razor, so you got everything. You have an eyebrow razor. Oh, and what is this? Hold on, this is so cute. This is a box of roses. This is absolutely so adorable. Each flower and gift tells a story. To the one I love. So cute, see? Okay, so here it has flowers in it, but it also has a pair of earrings in here. Like, what? That is super duper cute. I do like that idea a lot. But let's get into this wig. So this is a 250% density wig, and y'all know I like a thick wig. Oh yeah, and here's a wig cap. An HD wig cap. But here's the wig. I love a good 250% density wig. I like my wigs a little thicker. So let's see what we're working with here. Oh, that's thick. That is very thick. Like, look at that. Look at how it's just whipping back and forth. Like, look at that flow. That is it right there. Like, this is really pretty. Okay, this is really cute. Okay, but let's look at this actual hairline. So it is pre-plucked with pre-bleached knots, so you do not have to do any kind of customization to this hair. And this is a 5x5 closure wig. So you all see, like, you get a super apparent middle part, and the knots are already bleached, as you can see. But like, this hair, it looks good. If we're just talking quality, it is thick all the way to the ends. Like, look at that. It looks just perfect. It really looks so perfect. Like, that is gorgeous. I love that. Like, yeah, so let's actually take this off of the paper and look at the inside of the wig and how this wig is actually constructed. So it does come with an elastic band, and you can adjust it right here. This elastic band is the reason you can rock this thing glueless. So this wig is also a glueless wig, you guys. So I won't be adding any kind of lace adhesive to this wig. And it does have some combs to secure the wig even further. So bam. And of course, it is a 5x5 closure wig. Yeah, this hair quality itself is eating. So the only thing I think I'm going to do to this wig is add a little bit of lace tint to make it a little closer to my skin tone, because I am a brown skin girly. So let's just make this lace just a little darker. And that is it, you guys. That is it, you guys. So let's go ahead and slap this wig on here. Like, it looks really pretty. Just like, this thickness is everything to me. Like, that is eating, like, okay. So bam, it already looks really good. This elastic band is not playing. Like the gluelessness is gluelessness thing. The wig is wigging basically. Like this wig is not playing. Like it feels super secure. Like out of all the glueless wigs I've had, I've never had one feel this freaking secure. This is nice, okay. But let's add a little bit of lace mousse to get this thing super laid. But like this thing, it's really giving right now. It is definitely giving. I'm gonna get up for you all because I know this hair just swings beautifully like this is. I've actually bought from Kiss Love hair myself a few times and I really did love their hair. So just from experience, like I know this hair is really gonna eat. I wanna add just a little bit of baby hair, so we're gonna do that really quickly. We're just gonna add like a little tidbit right here. Yeah, right here. Bam, bam, bam. Actually, let me use the razor that came with this wig. And I'm just gonna cut off this little piece just for the baby hairs. And let's go ahead and lay these baby hairs. Let's go ahead and lay these other baby hairs. Okay guys, and that is really it for laying this hair. Like I'm telling you, it is just so easy working with these kinds of wigs. Yeah. Oh, I kind of burnt my forehead a little bit really quickly. And just like that, that is it for styling this wig. And it is completely glueless. Let me show y'all, like, y'all see, let me see. Like this wig is tight. One thing about it, it is super duper secure. This wig is very, okay, this wig is very secure. I'm doing too much, hold on. But yeah, this wig is completely glueless, you guys. Let me see. Like you all see, it's not glued down at all. But I mean, it is like really secure. But let me show you all how long the hair is. And this is where the hair is falling on me. Like this hair is really pretty. Like I love it. Like if we're talking about quality hair, like this is really it. This is eating, you guys. I am obsessed. I am obsessed. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Like, I love it, love it, love it. I am in love with how sleek this hair is. Like, it is super duper thick and just, wow. Like, look at the hair. But, as you all can see, this was just so easy to do. Like, look at that. It was so easy, you guys. But, of course, I'm going to link this hair in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys.